Here's how to use the color edit tool in Canva. So let's say we want to make these plants a bit brighter. Click on the image, go to edit, go to adjust, scroll down until you find color edit, and you can see that the saturation slider is already green, and if we move it upwards, the plants get more saturated. If we move it the other way, they all turn gray. So let's say we want to move the saturation up to 100 and make them a bit brighter. This is what our new image looks like, and this is what it used to look like. You can also change the color of the plants as well. So there we go, now we have pink plants. If you want to do another color, let's say that leaf right there, then you click the brown icon right there. You can change its saturation, and oh, I guess it also does the cabinet as well. So if we just really want to see those plants and we don't want to see anything else, we can move the saturation of everything down, and now the plants are the brightest part and the most saturated. And just like with the green, of course, you can change the color, or the hue as it's called, with all the other color options we have on the top here. Playing around with the settings made it so now instead of green plants and brown furniture, now we have brown plants and green furniture. In that last example, we just used all area, but color edit also works for the foreground and background areas as well. So clicking foreground here, yeah, it turns everything purple. That's a little annoying. But hey, if we want these plants to go from tan to gray, we can do that while also clicking background and making the sky go from blue to orange. And that's how we get a beautiful image like this. And then if we really want to, we can go and click all again, and there we go. Now the whole thing's gray, and there was no point to this, because you could have just clicked edit, adjust, and gone to the saturation window yourself. There was no need for color edit to do this.